Hello and welcome. Myself, Professor Bulake, रयत शिक्षण संस्था आबासाहेब मराठे Arts and New Commerce Science College, Rajapur. Today's lecture we are going to discuss the topic nomenclatures of organic compounds. The last times we have seen the how will you given the IUPAC name to the alkanes. Now we have see the topics the how will you given the IUPAC name to aryl halides. Aryl halides, it is a group having unusual the alkyl radicals. In alkyl radicals, a hydrogen atoms which is removed by suffix ane of alkane by YL. So group of atoms having unused valency which is obtained by removing this, the ane replaced by YL. Now we have see in details like the alkanes. First alkane is methane, second is ethane, third is propane, and fourth is butane. So rules are these: ane of alkane is replaced by YL, right? So in this methane, first alkane we have taken like a methane. So this ane replaced by YLE. See here in this first methyl, right? Second alkane like a ethane. So this ane replaced by YL. So ethyl. Third one, the alkane is a propane. So this ane replaced by YL. So propyl. And last one is a butane. So this A and E replaced by YL, so butyl. And therefore the alkyl radical we have given the IUPAC name like the A and E replaced by YL, right? Okay. Next point we have C. If the structures are C this type, like methyl group at the second carbons, methyl group at the second carbon, the word we have used iso, right? The last times we have see this type of structures will given the IUPAC name. So what is the name? Isobutane. So total carbon is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane. And this methyl is having a second. So it is a isobutane. So which type of structures are see this type? This type of structure is present in the molecules. The name is given like a ISO, right? ISO. Similarly, how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a 5 carbon. So what is the name? Isopentane, right? This is the alkane. So how will you given the name? ANE replaced by YL, right? Therefore, these structures was name is a isobutyl. And what is the name of these compounds? Sorry, what is the name of these structures? Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So isopentyl, isopentane, ANE replaced by YL, and therefore name is a isopentyl. Similarly, another example we have take like propane. So this is a propane, right? Another alkane is a propane, and therefore this propane IUPAC name is given like isopropyl, ANE replaced by YL. So this type of structures was name is iso. So isopropyl, and this name is a straight chain alkane. This is a branched chain alkane. So this is straight chain alkane. The name was given like the N-propyl. Okay. Next, the points we have see which type of branched alkanes the longest continuous carbon chain in the compound which will be selected. In first compounds, first structure, this is second structure and this is the third structure. Now we have see which is firstly the selected longest chain of alkane. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this type of the chain will be selected to given the numbering, not this. Okay, right. In second, the continuous longest chain, it will be selected as this one, not is this one. Okay, so longest chain of alkane will be select like this. So this red mark are clear show that this type of continuous and longest chain it will be selected, right? Third structure, see as the continuous longest chain, it will be selected as this fashion, not this fashion, right? Not selected as a continuous longest chain on this manner. Chain is selected as this manner. Next examples we have take like this is a alkane. So longest chain of alkane it will be selected as this manner. Okay, these alkane are selected as this like, not this or not this side or not this side. Only correct continuous longest chain it will be selected as this manner. Okay. Next examples also the longest chain of alkanes are selected like this type of fashions which not selected as this type. Only selected or only correct selection is this type. Now how will you given the correct number in the chain? Let's we have see. For examples, this alkane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a pentane and then methyl group is attached to this third carbon. So numbering is given like this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So methyl group at the third number. If we have start number like this side, so this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is also the third number having the methyl group and therefore numbering of these group which take place at any side which will not affect on the IUPAC nomenclature and therefore this this side numbering or this side numbering of that molecules it will be possibles which will not affect, and this is the numbering any one direction is correct. In second molecules we will see that the this is also a pentane molecules, but it is having a this carbon having a one of this methyl group, but numbering we have start like this side. So numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this side we have start the numbering. We will see that the methyl group at going to lowest possible number as a second. If the number start from this side like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then we have see that the 4 number will be given to this methyl group, and therefore this side we have given the numbering. The methyl group has not going to the lowest possible number. It is a 4 number, and therefore this side of numbering which is not correct, but numbering on that side it will be the correct numbering, and therefore the left hand side like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a blue colored number, it will be given correct numbering. This is the wrong. Now we have see another examples, like the numbering is given to that molecules is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? We have firstly in these molecules we have choose the longest continuous chain. So how will you choose this longest continuous chains? Like this side. Okay, this is a longest continuous chain. If we have choose these continuous chains, it is not a longest continuous chain. If we have choose this side of continuous chain, longest continuous chain, it is right, but it is the numbering is given like this fashion, which is a correct. So numbering is given to that molecules of from left side, like the number is 1 of that carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So we will observe that it second position having the methyl group and fourth position having the one of this methyl group. If we are possible to start the numbering on this side, like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In red colored molecules, the numbering which is opposite to the blue colored molecules, then we observe that the correct numbering it will be possible only the blue colored molecules. Why it is a correct numbering? Because in blue colored molecules are shows that the substituent like this methyl group and this methyl group will be given the lowest possible number, like second and it is a fourth. But at the red colored molecules we are see that the molecules was given the substituent of methyl group, it is also methyl group, so it is not given the lowest priority number, it gives highest priority, like it gives a 3 number and it is gives a 5 number. But at these molecules it gives the lowest priority number as the second position and the fourth position, and therefore according to IUPAC nomenclatures these molecules the numbering was given is correct, and those molecule is not correct given the lowest possible number, and therefore both rules will be applied in these molecules will be correct. But in these molecules the only one rule will be applied is correct, like we choose the longest chain of alkane, only one rule is applied is correct, but in this molecule both rule will be applied correct. Therefore, in this type, we have choose the longest chain alkane. Thank you.